Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel. It is extremely windy out. I pulled up here and this lady walked up to my van with her dog and then walked around my dog like some kind of canine dog, letting the dog pee in my tires and stuff. And she's like, oh, he won't bite. But I'm like, I'm not getting out because she can barely control him. I don't know if the dog's going to run at me or what, but look how windy it is. I just listened to the radio and they said it's going to be 40-mile-per-hour wind gust today, and it's going to be in the triple digits today. It's already 93 degrees. And check out this new bike path that I found. And it's got a lake. Look at these. It's a little subdivision here with these cool little mountain views. She gone yet? Alright. She was pulling on that dog, and that dog was dragging her, and it was like that dog's controlling her. Alright, let's go check out this new place here. See, she's like yelling at him. That dog ain't listening to her at all. Take a look around here. It's the Santa Catalina Mountains. I was just over there in the subdivisions checking out a card I saw on Craigslist, and I was coming this way to go home. And I saw this little park here. Let's go check out this bike path. Man, it is windy. I was gonna dig that trench today, but not now, because if it's this windy here, it's even more windier at my house. Look at this bike path. I gotta get a bicycle. It goes on forever. And it looks new too. Goes around that way. I didn't know there was a lake over here. It's like a sitting place over there. Let's go, looks like you can walk over there. Looks more like a swamp than anything. Let's see what kind of view this sitting place has over here. Nice little sitting area. Makes me feel like there's alligators there. It's Arizona. Look at it. There's something over there. What is that? That looks like a frisbee golf thing. Number 6. Wonder where 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are. I wonder if there's a frisbee golf course around this lake. I'm gonna go that way because the mountains look cool. Walk back that way. That's pretty cool. I wonder how you get over to that spot there. Look at the mountains. This is the area where on the other side of that mountain there's a road that goes down, and I used to go walk over there. Several times I've been over there. I've been on this road so many times on my motorcycle. I never knew there was a lake here, let alone a frisbee golf thing. That's where that frisbee thing is over there. There's a big rock there too. This is cool, this area. I definitely gotta get a bike. Anyways, in this area over here, matter of fact, right over there, there's a guy. He used to sell. There's a big pull-out area, big empty spot, and he used to sell like animal skulls and skins and stuff like that. And he had a big cougar skin laid out like a bear skin rug, but it was a cougar rug. And I said, "What is that? Is that a mountain lion?" He said, "It's a cougar." I said, "Really? Where'd you get that at?" He's like, "Right over there. Killed it right behind one of them houses." I said, "What? There's a freaking subdivision right here." He goes, "Yep. It was getting into the guy's, that house right over there." Let's see if I can zoom in on it. It was getting into that guy's trash, and he caught it, set up some trash behind the house, and he caught it. And then he came out and shot it. And then he skinned it. I was like, that's the craziest thing I ever heard. There's a whole subdivision in this area, subdivision over here. Yep. You don't see these wildlife in these rocks, but they're sitting up there watching you. Cut through here. here? Well, I can't because there's a river there. I'm like, yeah, I say that to people all the time and they don't believe me. But I wouldn't expect a cougar being behind somebody's house. He goes, yep, probably hungry looking for food. It's a dry riverbed. Thought it was going to be water. Here comes somebody down there. I don't know if they're on a bike or if they're walking. No motor vehicles. You hear that, TRX Vlogger? So I'm wondering, this used to be a frisbee golf course and they turned it into a lake and they just left that, because I'm not seeing any other frisbee catching cages anywhere. Anyways, how I found this place is, like I said, I was over there. This guy was selling a dune buggy. On Craigslist, and he didn't have a price on it, so I'm like, that looks cool, man, I want to go check it out. And he was in not far from where I live, so I went to go check it out, and it's just a buggy sitting on a VW frame. This guy's on a bicycle, and I asked him, how much you asking for, and he's like, make me an offer. And I was like, I don't know what to offer you, because there's no motor. It's just a VW frame with the transmission and a dune buggy sitting on it. It's bolted on it, but there's no really no interior, no wiring, anything like that. This would be a great place to go riding, man. Look at this. Tucson has the best bike paths ever that I've ever seen. Look at this lake. This is cool. It's like Planet of the Apes. Wonder how long this lake has been here. It's not a clear blue lake, but it's definitely something you don't see in Tucson. But he's like, make me an offer. So I said, you have the title? He's like, because on the Craigslist that says clear title. He's like, no, you can get a bonded title. And I said, well, how long have you had this bug? He said about 1.5 years. It was going to be a project for me and my son. And he decided he didn't want to do it, so now I'm going to sell it. So I was like, you don't have a title? You can get a bonded title. I'm like, what the heck is a bonded title? He goes, well, you have to go to the DMV, you have to fill out an application. I said, wow, that sounds time consuming and expensive. Oh no, it's pretty cheap, you can do it. I said, so in 1.5 years, why didn't you do it? Well, I mean, I'm busy. I just didn't have time to do it, but you can do it. I was like, well, the Craigslist ad says clear title. He goes, yeah, well, it's never been titled, so it's clear. I'm like, no, I don't think so. That's not how it works. I didn't just fall off the turnip truck. This is weird. It's like big rocks there, but then there's like big square rocks. Right next to them. It's like, I don't know, it looks like concrete. And then more right there. Check out them rocks. Oh, those rocks are cool. And look at these birds flying around. There's 3 of them up there. There's 2 there and there's 1. Oh, there's 4. I don't know what kind of birds they are. I'm looking for excuse me. I'm looking for, the wind is pushing me so hard from behind. It's not even funny. It's like these huge gusts. There's a huge dragonfly right there. For Arizona, this looks beautiful. It's so peaceful and quiet over here. I don't know where this comes out, but I definitely need a bike to go check it out. And birds are cool flying up there. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up. There's two of them. So I told the guy, well, what do you want for it? Just make me an offer. Well, I don't know, $100? $100? What are you out of your damn mind? You don't have a motor. You don't have a title. You don't have a price on the ad. You know, I'm looking for something for a project for me and my son also, but you know, I don't know anything about bonded title. So he's like, no, I don't think so, man. So I was like, all right, well, thanks for your time, and I left, and I drove away, and I found this place. So it wasn't all that much of a loss. This is probably scary at nighttime because there's no lights anywhere here, and the animals come out. Look at those rocks, make me want to climb them rocks. Something about these big rocks that just make me want to climb. I do not see any other frisbee catching cage, so I don't know, maybe that wasn't a frisbee catching cage, but it did say number 6 on it. Going down in here because I want to see, sometimes you can see wild animals in these little little drain pipes. I just want to see if there's anything in there. Snakes sometimes. As long as there's no javelina. I looked there, I did this one time, and there was a coyote in the drain pipe, and he just looked at me and I looked at him. He was just as shocked as I was. I didn't have any camera then, but he didn't get up and run. I guess it was too hot. I got off the trail. Now I'm gonna go walk over this way, do a little off-roading. Look at them flowers. I guess it was too hot for him to take off running, because I didn't go inside it. I just looked at him and he looked at me. We had our little moment there. It is freaking hot, man. I'm all in my long sleeves and stuff because I was gonna do some work in the yard when I got home. The mosquitoes. There's a trash can out here. That bird over there is a big, like, crane. He came flying out of this tree, scared the crap out of me. Oh, I was expecting to see a rat or something in there. Look at him. That's a big bird. I don't know what this is, but this looks like, I apologize for the wind if the camera is picking up on the wind, but this looks like the tee, like in golf tees they have. I gotta research. Yeah, this is a disc golf course. Marana Rock Disc Golf Course. I found number 6, and this is a number 11. Marana Disc Golf Club. I'm gonna have to get home. When I get home, I'm gonna have to look at that because I don't see. Apparently, I guess you walk that way. Let's walk that way, see what happens. Maybe at one time this was a disc golf course, but I don't think it's in use anymore. I could be wrong. I don't play disc golf. I don't know. But I would be thinking there's a lot of snakes over here. I'm keeping my eye out for snakes big time, because this is the perfect place for snakes to be in. See a lot of dog tracks, which could be coyote tracks. A lot of railroad ties everywhere too. On this old cart blacktop right here.
I was trying to get close to the. This looks like this has all been flooded and all these sticks have been pushed over here. I was trying to get close to that river, which is right over there. You can hear it flowing. And then I said, well, let me go this way. And then I found this, what I'm guessing is a cart path for the disc golf course. Look at this. This has definitely been flooded, because this is signs of flooding. All these sticks being pushed there. All old ironwood. Cicada bugs. I can't, it's all swampy right there. I can't go through there. Now I'm going to have to go back again. I'm really curious about this disc golf course, what it looked like. I'm wondering, hope I can find information on the internet. Oh look, that bug is still there. Looks like a dragonfly. Oh, he flew away again. There are a lot of dragonflies out here. Look at that one. That looks so cool. There's one flying right in front of my face right now too. It's really hard to catch them still though. Watch them fly away. Where'd he go? There you go. All kinds of dragonflies. There's one right there too. Beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. The wildlife view. Beautiful. I see you there, Mr. Prairie Dog. Nothing gets by me, brother. Nothing. Look, I found another tee. Oh, you're brave. Number 9. I saw the prairie dog take off running, and I looked over and then I saw this. Didn't see any more baskets though. This is what takes me so long when I'm out walking and exploring. Number 6 is way over across there. All this tree is full of all kinds of dragonflies. Because I just look for movement. Any kind of movement, I see it at the corner of my eyes or whatever. I look right away over to what I'm seeing. That's how I see all this beautiful wildlife. By movement. When my wife goes walking with me, when I go on bike paths like this and walk, she always yelling at me because I'm always, this is, okay, make the camera, this is my head, this is me. Zigzagging everywhere. My wife's always like smacking me and saying, would you just pay attention to what the heck is in front of you? I'm like, why? I got 360-degree vision here, man. I like to look around. You're all over the freaking bike path. Just pay attention to what's in front of you. I can't do it. I can't just walk and look straight and just have tunnel vision. It's not in me. I can't do it. It drives her nuts. I took a shortcut, come down through there. I didn't want to go all the way around there. Came down, and as I was coming up here, look what I found here. Frisbee disc. Number 7. Number 6 is over there by them rocks. Right there, number 6. Alright, I gotta get to my van. I'm dying of thirst. Some signs here, let's see what they say. Los Mortoros, the Mortars. Los Mortaros was one of the largest pre-Hispanic villages in the Tucson area that was occupied between 750 AD to 1250. Hundreds of years before the Anza expedition camped for one night at this location. Never heard of them. Juan Bautista de Anza National Historic Trail. You are here, Puerto del Azotado. Puerto del Azotado. Beautiful area. This is cool too. So I'm back home and I'm researching this Marina Disc Golf Course, and it's abandoned, extinct. It got flooded, and it was bought by the city of Marina. So I don't know what year that happened, but here's some pictures that what it looks like. This is the number 11 one that I found, that I walked down and went all through here. It looks nothing like that now. This looks all groomed and everything. It's all flooded and swamplands now. That's the number 1. There's absolutely no lake here at all. I don't know how it got flooded or what caused the flooding, but apparently it looked like a nice place at once. That's the only thing I could really find on it, other than this picture here. This is the bike path right here. This is where the number 11 was, where I was, right here, and I walked this way, and I walked all the way over to here, and then there's a river right here. I couldn't get across that river. Then I walked all the way to here and around, and then I hit swampland over here. Then I backtracked, came all the way back over here, and then I found this one here with the prairie dog, and then went over here. This is the number 6 over here. Where's it at? Right here's number 6. So it's a huge place. This is all lake now. All this is all lake. It was $6 to get in. It says $6 entry. Opens at 7. But yeah, it's an abandoned disc golf course now. That's all I could find on it. I mean, there are photos right here where somebody else is taking pictures of it, what it looks like now. But it's a beautiful area. Oh, here's some more pictures here. That's before it was flooded. Look at it. Cool. Don't look anything like that now. Wildlife has taken over. This is no. Oh, that's number 8 hole. They all say number 8 hole. Yeah, doesn't look anything like that now. Crazy. This is number 9 hole. This is where I saw the prairie dog. Right here, and this is all lake now. I never even knew this was there. Don't look nothing like this is all filled with water. This sign isn't even here no more. I don't know when it got flooded or when it got abandoned, but I don't know who that is. That's why I was seeing all these railroad ties scattered everywhere. It must have been a flash flood came through in there and just ripped this stuff all down or something. I wish I could find more information on it, because it's interesting how something just came in and destroyed this place, and then they built a subdivision up around it. Hole number 1. This looks beautiful. Hole 2, hole 3, hole 4. Yeah, I'm very curious on what happened over there. Hole 5. See all these railroad ties? I didn't see any stairs anywhere. I just seen railroad ties scattered everywhere. A lot of them were burned. And it's I don't know, it's about 10 miles from where I live. I just happened to find it by accident. Hole number 6. Now this hole number 6, this is all lake now. All flooded. Wish I could find more information on it. Anyways, that's the disc golf course that I found out exploring today. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. As always, remember to like, comment, subscribe. It don't cost you anything, it's free. I got to get ready and go to work and be gone most of the day. So, get